Let's now look at a story that we have been focusing on the last couple of weeks. Religious leaders have now taken over as chief mediators in negotiations over the Kenyan doctors' pay dispute. The leaders under the Inter-Religious Council of Kenya, who appeared in court during the mention of the doctors' strike case, are optimistic that a deal will be reached in the next few days. Rita Tinina has the details.
For 88 days, the doctors' strike has proved a headache for the government and a hurdle that mediators could not deal with. The Law Society of Kenya and the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights failed to meet a Court of Appeal deadline to conclude negotiations twice.
The efforts we made reached a stage where we can say it is the best we could do.
Now there is a different approach, seeking divine intervention with the entry of religious leaders who have much needed optimism.
There is no mission that cannot be accomplished. The only mission that cannot be accomplished from our spiritual point is bringing back a life that has gone.
The Inter-Religious Council of Kenya, which brings together all faiths, has for the last 3 days met the doctors' union officials and the government.
We are about to reach the epitome of the whole process.
The leaders asked the court for 2 days to help conclude negotiations.
Religious leaders are around to participate in further negotiations on the remaining issues.
The religious leaders will be trying to sort out 3 pending issues in the dispute: salaries and allowances, training and promotions, and a recognition agreement. They will go back to court on Tuesday next week to give their report. With the government sticking to what it terms as its best offer of a 40% pay increase, and with the doctors standing their ground on a 150 to 180% pay increase, the country may slowly be exhausting its options in solving the stalemate and will need all the divine intervention it can get. Rita Tinina, KTN News.